Get into the 2026 Subaru Forester. Enjoy a tour of this Subaru Forester, the compact SUV that's relaxing to drive. Spacious and refined, this crossover offers desirable safety and connectivity features at a surprisingly affordable price. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps. With its sleek design and exceptional versatility, the Subaru Forester is ready to take you wherever the road leads.